This is the Garnier Fructis Fiber Spikes. This is the Power Putty. They say this one gives you a bounce back spiky look. For the most part, I use these putties as a way to add texture to my hair. This one, the actual texture of it when you put it in your hand has more of a gel type feel. I'll show that in the video. But it has more of a gel type feel, and it has a very strong smell to it also, which I kind of like. But with this one has a very strong hold to it. It almost has more of a gel type look without being too over the top. It really holds your hair very, like, it holds it together very well, especially if I know I'm having, like, my hair is really frizzy. This is the one I grab on that situation, you know, and it doesn't feel heavy in your hair. It doesn't feel oily in your hair. And even, not that I don't put this stuff in my hair, then go to the gym or go work out, but any of the Garnier Fructis Power Putties, I never notice it when I start sweating, or if it, like, you know, I start, you know, sweat comes down my head. I don't really notice that the product's coming out of my hair either, which is really good. So all of these sort of power putties have a natural feel to them. They don't seem too overpowering. This one, if anything, has more of a jelly, oily feel overall, but it's nothing too crazy. It still has a natural look to it. It doesn't have that, like, grease back biker look at all, but definitely recommend trying it out. I've tried out all of their power putties. I ended up keeping this one for certain occasions. And I recommend that you try this if you are looking for something that will really have that extra hold and give you kind of that shiny look to it.